Ford's infotainment systems like Sync 3 and Sync 4 manage navigation, audio, and more. When they freeze or glitch, a restart is often needed. There are two main types: soft resets and factory resets. A soft reset is a quick reboot, like restarting your phone. A factory reset wipes all data, restoring the system to its original state. Knowing when and how to use each can save you a trip to the dealership. Note that procedures can vary by model year, trim, and software version. Always consult your vehicle's manual or Ford's website for specifics. For a soft reset, park your vehicle and turn the ignition on. Press and hold the power button on the touchscreen for 3 to 5 seconds until the screen turns off and reboots. For a factory reset, navigate to Settings, then General, then Master Reset. Enter your PIN, which is usually 0000. Confirm the reset and wait for the system to restore. Remember, a factory reset erases all personal data, so back up important information first if possible. Never perform resets while driving.